Electrical transformer. What is a transformer? A transformer is an electrical device used to transfer electrical energy between circuits. It works under principle of electromagnetic induction. It can increase or decrease voltage levels. This is the main parts of transformer: core, primary winding, secondary winding, insulation, cooling system. Working principles. Alternating current in the primary winding creates a magnetic field. The magnetic field induces voltage in the secondary winding. Voltage depends on the turns ratio. This is the transformer equation, where Vp primary voltage, Va secondary voltage, Np primary turns, Na secondary turns. Type of transformers: step up transformer, step down transformer, insulation transformer, power transformer, and distribution transformer. Applications: power transmission, electrical appliances, industrial machines, chargers and adapters, renewable energy systems. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: efficient, reliable, low maintenance. Disadvantage: expensive, energy losses, large size for high power. Safety precautions: avoid overloading, ensure proper installation, regular maintenance, and keep away from moisture. Conclusion: transformers are essential in electrical system for efficient voltage conversion and power distribution.